Hi, you can call me anything. I guess this is my first day of learning absolutely anything, but I guess we're focusing on sa way ng pagsasalita ko or how I manage my thoughts. So basically today, nagbasa ako ng mga articles, ng articles isa lang, from Substack, and just from the book club by Amira, and yung title niya is We Don't See Things As They Are. We see them as we are. And yes, that's true. The main focus ng article is siguro yung art ng pagbibigay ng attention. Meron tinatawag ang mga psychologists na selective attention. It is it basically means focusing on the specific thing. Ngayari, I can focus on my eye. Right now, I'm focusing now yung ibang part ng sa paligid ko is wala akong focus. Parang ganun. Basta, parang ganun. And it points out na when we give attention sa isang bagay or sa specific thing, that's the same thing. Sa isang bagay, parang nilalabas mo ang specific understanding mo doon or perspective mo. Parang nagmi-mirror what your current understanding dun sa bagay na yan. And how we see things is a reflection of who we are. Kasi, syempre, nanggagaling sa atin. And in-express niya na to pay attention is not just to see the world clearly, not just basically taking attention sa specific na bagay na to, sa mga nangyayari sa paligid natin, but to see ourselves more truthfully. So what does that mean? If you're paying attention sa how you perceive ang isang bagay, you understand more kung sino ka. Maintindihan mo kung saan yun nanggagaling. Was it from your experience sa buhay or whatever kind ng childhood meron ka, those kind of things. An example na binigay niya is kunyari may dalawang person na naglalakad sa road and napadaan sila sa isang bakery, ang dami na tinapay. One person might attribute yung amoy ng tinapay sa pandesal na niluluto ng nanay niya, while yung isa naman na-attribute niya yung tinapay as a naalala niya yung ex niya, ganun. Those kind of things, diba? We associate different things based on how we are or what we've experienced. At least yun yung natutunan ko. And attention can be hard. Our attention or awareness is something na mahirap i-recognize parati. Kasi we always been autopilot, na dadala tayo ng emosyon. Diba? Kunyari, may nagalit sa'yo, you feel hurt without really understanding yung specific situation or bakit naging ganito sila, bakit ganito yung nararamdaman ko. Tapos nauwi tayo sa mga specific decisions na nagbe-based on awareness. Sinabi niya dun sa articles, awareness exposes how distracted we are sa mga bagay-bagay. We need to take our awareness, give our awareness a chance to really understand everything that we see in our environment and reflect how it correlates sa kung sino tayo and how we see ourselves and how it mirrors sa kung paano natin binibigyo ang bagay-bagay.